Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of this awful Hogwarts castle. So, the reason I say that is, can't see, can you? Is this motor design. When I did the motor, it is an awful design because you've got the drive gears going in, right where the commutator is on the inside, which means it's going to splash lubricant from the drive gears onto the commutator. So it's got to cack up, isn't it? So, well, hopefully the later ones are better than that. Well, then again, they'll really couldn't give a shit because it's all Harry Potter. I'm not massively into Harry Potter. My sister is, but I'm not. I could take it or leave it. There's a body because it weren't broken there. I've had to remove that so the drawbar sits level, so the tender don't ride up. Right, where was he? Ah, yes, the very stiff pony truck. So I've got to try. You can see where it's locked, maybe. But look how much effort it's taken me to turn them. If you can see like little marks where it's been rubbing on the rails, on the wheels. Can't see it, so I'm going to try to clean the axles. So it's a bit free-wheeling because this motor is. Ugh. I think I prefer tender drives Ringfields to that one. Ugh, what an awful motor design, eh? Right, let's try a little bit of IPA. Let's see if I could give it a bit of a clean in there. Of course, I'll re-lube it once I'm done. Right, front axle. Soak it in. Bit more ip on there. Got a little jar of it behind me, so it cleans off any crap that was on the these axles for the front bogey truck. Of course, we let it all evaporate, so it won't be cacked up still. Let's do the rear again. Well, again, what do I expect? I paid 25 quid for it, so. Bit of a restoration video here, guys. And the TT track, me Engage track. 009. Where do I put the body? Oh yeah, on that shelf there. So yeah, that's the piss awful Hogwarts castle. Which shouldn't actually be a castle. It's altered hall. Oh fuck! I just broke that. Well done. Never mind. A scrap shell, anyway. Scrap shell. Shall us scrap us? They're doors now for a A3. Get in there. Right, power cable. See if this is still actually, working. It is. Well, I like having a rolling road. I could just leave that to run now for about half an hour. Shows I don't need any of the pickups in the tender. It's not DCC ready even. There's no socket anywhere. But good old rolling roads, very useful. And it likes to handle. Yes. Anyway, let's see if it's evaporated off. It's still quite free spinning. If not, I'm going to have to find some contact cleaner and give it a scoosh. I'm going to have to clean the wheels again, obviously. Still a bit sticky. Open my little jar of IPA. Loads of purple alcohol. Because that's the best thing to cut through, and that's what I use to repair games consoles with. To clean off insides of games consoles. Especially thermal paste, because that's the worst stuff in the world. Give it a good soak into there so it breaks down all the grease. A wipe as well, because this bit makes contact of the former pickup. This bit does here. We'll give that a clean as well. Yeah. Anyway, it might be a part 3 to see if this runs a bit better. Like these wheels stay free, and I never want to touch that motor again. I'll be brutally honest. I'll probably take the base keeper off actually to put a bit of silicone grease onto the drive gear. There's a lovely smell coming from it, so it might be burning through some oil. Because it's a brilliant design. Well done, Hornby. Yeah, some of that stuff is fantastic, but then you get this, and it makes you question everything. Oh, the same thing with Backman. Split chassis, anyone? Uh, I've only got one Rapido loco, and it's excellent. It's the Sterling single. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe. We will see a part 3 of Hogwarts Castle, but I'm going to do. It's going to be a break until then because I've got other things to look at before returning to Hogwarts Castle. I'm going to leave this to run in and see if it gets any better. Yeah, do all that usual stuff. Help the awful YouTube algorithm, because if I just check my analytics, come on, YouTube Studio, load up. Come on, push. Very good. Yeah, been the best everywhere dinosaur decided. Other one's born in the wild. In Jurassic Park 4 went wrong. What a movie. Love Jurassic Park. So yeah. Oh, I'll bring it up later, but about 85% of you are not subscribed, so if you are a returning viewer and not subscribed, smack the subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. And we'll see how I get on with Hogwarts Castle. If not, it might end up in the scrap bin. But then again, I might get a body shell of an actual castle and replace it. Well, might as well. Anyway, cheers for watching. See you in the next one. I'm waffling. Bye bye for now.